It would be going past this.
Look at the big dinosaur and the
What?
green one. See it?
Well, we saw that.
I know.
Park.
But I'm just being the guide.
Can you actually? You can't really play putt-putt now.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, how
It's $3. Nobody plays it because you got to pay $3. You already pay enough money to come in here and keep on paying. I tell you, we're lucky we got that deal from that guy, though.
There's your plaza.
I'm keeping it on your side,
You gotta
though.
look at there's Mighty Taco over there.
We'll go eat there if we want to when we get
No,
done.
but I do know, like when we were, you know that ride that me and Al went on the first time.
Yeah,
There were a couple nice restaurants over there.
yeah, but the food's only going to be so.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go on. We gotta put life jackets on when we go on there. Oh, we didn't go on that. We didn't go on the roller coaster.
No.
We gotta go on that still, am I right?
I don't remember going on the train last time when we came here. Do you?
Hey, we did go on that train.
Yes,
No.
you did. You're right, Al.
We didn't go on that, and we didn't go on the roller coaster. We gotta go on those. We gotta go on the boat that you paddle.
I remember coming here on picnics too. Like Ford used to have their picnics. Well, they still do. Ford days like $25, but it includes eating all day though.
There's that slide Grandma told you about. Your mom went down that when she was little.
We all did.
It's a shoe. Grandma even went on it when I was little.
That's as old as the park.
Yeah.
So are these?
Vera.
These are old too. Look at them.
Those 60s.
I like that smell.
Here's your Ford picnic.
Yeah. Okay, say hi. Look at the Indians. There's the boat, see?
Look at it, it's just driving on. No track. Yeah, it was, they were cooking on grills over there. That's why it smells like smoke. Will could get a camper and stay here for a week with you guys.
A week? A week? A night? They got cabins you can rent
Yeah,
for 3 weeks.
ooh, look at that roller coaster.
I wonder what they charge for one of those cabins. What's the roller coaster? Oh, yes, we do. It's always been every Saturday the whole season. looks like the Comet because of the Comet was silver.
It looks really like.
It looks old and cranky.
Yeah, I wouldn't go in it. Look at it's made out of.
If I could still handle it, I would.
That would look like.
See, now that's scarier than a regular one just because it's all ratty looking.
Yeah, that would. It seems like the wood could
It
crack
could.
and break. Really.
They have inspectors come out,
And I have this red thing that
but the wood does all look pretty well weathered. Huh.
I like going on the ones you can't see that are in the
Right.
you think you're gonna
dark. For all we know, the one we went on could have looked like that.
This is where we could get off if we